my name is Peter Schubert, and I'm a professor at IUPUI. And I'd like to tell you about my research in brief. The topic is solving the world's energy problems for once and for all. This involves three interlocking and complementary solutions. The first is providing baseload power. That means always on, always available, needed for cities and factories at large scale. Capturing solar power in space with large orbiting satellites, and then converting that to radio waves and then delivering that wirelessly to the ground is a safe, scalable technology. With that baseload power, we can provide constant energy to the world's largest population centers. And at night, when the demand is less, we can use the excess to turn water into hydrogen. Number two, for rural or remote locations, we can use locally available biomass and convert that into a hydrogen-based gas. The gas can be used in an internal combustion engine to make electricity that returns carbon to the atmosphere that was just taken out by the plants, so it's carbon neutral. But we can also produce biochar, which can be put into the soil for sequestration, making it carbon negative. The electricity and heat and hydrogen that comes from that can be used for education, light industry, and cooking, as well as for transportation through the hydrogen. Then the third technology is hydrogen storage using porous silicon. Silicon is the same stuff in solar panels and in integrated circuits. It's earth abundant. Every country has tons and tons. And by storing hydrogen in this manner, we can take the hydrogen from the first two technologies, put it into vehicles, portable electronics, and solve our transportation and portable needs for energy storage, where the only output is water vapor. In this way, using sunlight, soil, and water, we can power the entirety of human enterprises for now and for all time to come, so we can grow our economy, have everyone share in high standards of living without soiling our nest. Thank you for your attention.